Hello guys, I'm Alex and welcome to the channel Captivated by Outdoor. Okay guys, today I'm also taking some hiking trip and I decided to take some long trip. Okay, yesterday and the day before yesterday I also took some hiking trips, but not so long. They were about 8-10 kilometers. Today I gonna pass about 15 kilometers minimum and 25 kilometers maximum. Why so large variation range between 15 and 25? Because I don't know actually how long I will be able to go, alright? I don't know yet my physical conditions. Okay, I'm still preparing for the winter, for the ski trips, and I'm exercising. Alright, minimum, as I said, it will be 15 kilometers, maximum 25. We'll see how much I will be able to make, alright? While hiking, I also running sometimes, but shortly. Mostly I am walking, mostly I am hiking. As I said, I am exercising. You can see some weights on my hands, on my wrists. Each weight is of 1 kilo here on my hands, and also I have some weights on my legs. Alright, you can see them. And each weight is of 1.5 kilo. And I also have a backpack. There is something about, well, 7 kilos. Yeah, about 7 kilos. There is a chair, some hot coffee, some food, a gas stove, a knife, blah blah blah, and some other small gear. So, and now I have found some very small spot at the very tiny river, very nice place. I also come here for bathing in this river and also for doing some fishing. I love this spot, okay, and it's also very nice to make a short break here in deep fall to take a cup of hot coffee. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, so to take some hot coffee. Let's do it. Well, some good, strong, hot and sweet coffee would be really great. I actually need to recharge myself a little bit. I need more energy, more power, and good coffee would be great for it. With some cookies, but guys, look at that, It's funny, but anyway, everything will be eaten, everything, absolutely. I also have some food. I have a portable gas stove and some food to cook, but I will do it later. Wonderful. It's a bit chilly today, not so cold, a bit chilly. About -4, -5 Celsius, alright? But it's nice. When you are moving, you feel warm, okay? Especially with some weights, with a backpack. So I don't feel cold, I feel warm. And the air is very fresh, alright? So it's very nice. The coffee is lovely. Also with some cookies, funny cookies. Very good. Alright guys, I finished my coffee. Our short nice coffee break is over, and now let's keep going. We are passing some small village. You can see, I don't know actually how many people live here. Maybe 10, maybe 20, but no, not 20. 10, maximum 15 people, or even less than 10 people. But this is a very small village, very few houses, and I suppose very few people live here. More people come here from the city in the summertime, and it's nice here in the summertime when everything is green, but it is also nice to be here in fall. Okay, and we are keeping moving. Alright guys, here we are. I have decided to have this place is my final destination. I have already passed 10 kilometers, okay, from home to here, and the back way will be also 10 kilometers. So overall my hiking trip will be 20 kilometers today. Before I was going to go more far, okay, so to that town, as you can see, but the town is about 3 kilometers away from here, okay, not straight ahead, but along the river. Perhaps you can see it. This is the same river we were at previously. Okay, this is very small tiny river. Okay, it's kind of spring, okay, and it's running there, and if I would go along that river, okay, so I have to make large hook, large loop to reach that town, okay, and it would take about 3, maybe slightly less kilometers. But no guys, yeah, of course I can go there, but the back trip will be too hot, and overall it would be about 26 kilometers, too much for me. I'm already very hungry and very tired, so let's find some calm spot in those woods, in those bushes, okay, to make a break and to cook something. I have a gas stove, I have some meat, I have some noodles, so we'll make some hot soup to eat, because I definitely need to eat something to recharge myself for the back way. So let's go there. There is some fence. I don't know why. I haven't seen it before, actually. So we have to make some break through the woods. So here we are, guys. I have found some small but very nice spot, pretty enough for me to make a break here and to have lunch. We are doing some very primitive cooking. Some very, very primitive cooking. But it should be lovely. That's enough. And this will be my gift to the forest brothers and sisters. And let's boil the meat first. Okay. Stable. So it's already boiling. Let it boil for 7-10 minutes to get softer and also to evaporate some water. Yeah, that's good. And I realized that I left a spoon at home. Not for the first time. Not a problem. I will make some chopsticks. Okay? One is ready. This will be the second one. Alright. It will be not only primitive cooking, but also primitive eating. So it's enough to boil it. Let's put some noodles. and some additional ingredients, some spices. I think it's paprika. Yes. Well, smells not bad, guys, not bad. Okay, it's pretty ready. Let it to cool off a little bit. Let's do it this way to make the process faster. All right. Looks good. Yes, the meat is delicious. It's absolutely ready, very soft and very tasty. The noodles are also delicious. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Let's take some coffee. Good. Not very hot, but hot enough. Alright guys, I have finished my lunch and now I'm heading back to home. Okay, so it's getting dark already and it will be complete darkness very soon, in a few minutes. So I have to move fast. I have passed 10 kilometers to here and I still have to go 10 kilometers to home. I still have just a half of my trip and the half is ahead. And my back way will be in complete darkness, so it's also challenging. I have to move fast. Let's go. Okay folks, I'm again in my favorite bright spot under the lantern to finish this video, this episode, and to greet you. That was a really cool trip. Super awesome, super awesome. And that was not just a hiking trip. That was great physical exercising. During the entire trip, I didn't remove my weights from the body, okay? I'm still keeping them on me, okay? And I also have a backpack which weighs about 6-7 kilos. The today trip was 20 kilometers. That was really great, okay guys? That was really great, really cool. I'm very happy and I'm satisfied. Yeah, 20 kilometers with good weight on me. And also we cooked some lovely food. I enjoyed very much. That was great. Overall, I have spent about 10 hours in the fresh air, in the cold weather. And as you can see, already there is some snow, and supposedly everything will be white tomorrow. That's nice, that's nice. And now, guys, I'm greeting you. See you somewhere and somewhere else in some other trip. Goodbye.